The 2025 Audi S8 Plus has arrived, and it's taking luxury performance to the next level. As Audi's flagship performance sedan, the S8 Plus is more than just a luxury cruiser. It's a high-powered, tech-packed executive rocket designed to rival the BMW M760e, Mercedes-AMG S63, and even the Porsche Panamera Turbo. If you're looking for supercar performance in a full-size luxury sedan, the 2025 S8 Plus is here to dominate. At first glance, the 2025 S8 Plus retains the timeless sophistication of the Audi S lineup, but with a bolder, more aggressive stance. A redesigned single-frame honeycomb grille, laser-sharp matrix LED headlights, and a sculpted hood give it a commanding presence. The quad exhaust tips, carbon fiber accents, and 21-inch forged alloy wheels make it clear this is not just a luxury sedan, it's a high-performance beast. Under the hood, Audi is bringing next-level power. The S8 Plus is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now enhanced with mild hybrid technology, producing a jaw-dropping 640 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the planet. And thanks to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring, the S8 Plus delivers razor-sharp handling with maximum grip, whether you're cruising the Autobahn or carving through mountain roads. Step inside, and the S8 Plus delivers a cabin that blends executive luxury with high-performance DNA. The 15.6-inch OLED touchscreen, fully digital Audi virtual cockpit, and next-gen MI infotainment system provide a seamless, high-tech driving experience. The interior is wrapped in Valcona leather with diamond-stitched sport seats, carbon fiber inlays, and customizable ambient lighting. Rear passengers? They're treated to massaging, reclining seats with individual entertainment screens, making the S8 Plus just as comfortable as it is powerful. And let's talk tech, because Audi never holds back. The 2025 S8 Plus introduces Audi's AI Pilot, featuring Level 3 autonomous driving, allowing for hands-free highway cruising, intelligent lane switching, and real-time traffic monitoring. With adaptive air suspension, the car reads the road ahead, adjusting in milliseconds to deliver the smoothest ride possible. Now, the real question: can the 2025 Audi S8 Plus outshine the BMW M760e, Mercedes-AMG S63, and Porsche Panamera Turbo? With supercar-like acceleration, an ultra-luxurious interior, and state-of-the-art autonomous driving tech, the S8 Plus might just be the new king of high-performance luxury sedans. What do you think? Would you take the new S8 Plus over a BMW M760e or AMG S63? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-performance car updates.